Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be installing the BL Fab custom overflow catch can in one. This is what it looks like. Very nice. So these top ports here are mainly going to be for the oil vent, and these over here is going to be for the coolant, and this line here is for the pressure relief, which is going to be dangling to the atmosphere. So far they included some proper hoses for the PVCs. What I decided to do was take off the stock PCV valves and just cut it, add it to the hose, and run it along. Very simple. Yeah, so far I just extracted the coolant from the overflow so I don't make a big mess. And yeah, I'm gonna get started, remove the Helion overflow bracket, and yeah, get to work. Basically where it's gonna sit is practically the same place where the other one was sitting, but it's gonna be the catch can itself, overflow tank, mounted to the chassis rather than a bracket to the overflow. You feel me? So this should be more neat. This obviously look 10 times better. What do you think? And yeah, I'm gonna get back to when it's installed. Okay, and we're back. We installed the BL Fab overflow catch can. Just to go over it again of how I installed this. This is the OEM PCV valve fitting. We just removed the OEM installation and we connected our own hose, wrapped it around the engine to these fittings here. These two fittings are your PCV. Okay, so the one over here at the end is your vent. I ran that down to the bottom of the engine. I left this open for you guys. I have a bolt, lock washer, and nut, and the hose is venting to atmosphere. I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter. I don't like how long it is, but you want it as far away from the engine as possible. And for the coolant, this is my pressure relief. This is my feed. I ran it away for the turbo, keep it as cool as possible, you know? And this is the feed for the cylinder head. And this is the other feed for the top radiator hose. And that's basically it. All right, this is the BL Fab overflow catch can install. Please like, share, and subscribe. Back to you, Reggie.